Hello, back here again, where I was left off. Okay. Now, if you remember just a minute ago, or well, a minute to me, time is different to you. We were playing this, and we're having some fun, and that's that. Oh, someone's shooting at me. Are they? I don't. Wait. Someone. Oh God, no, no, no! Oh, what a bad start. Let's follow Maya. Oh, so it's actually meant to be Maya. Okay. Oh no, there's a guy over there, Maya. You can't see him, but I can. I'm just, I want to see where this goes. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Oh, there he is, there he is. Oh, go, Maya. But I think Maya's, a bit dead. Yeah. Let's see someone else. Sid Luck, let's see what you're doing, Sid Luck. You're doing good. It's nice. Okay. Now let's have a little look at my weapons. Yeah, they have added new weapons. I think it's this pistol, and it might be this gun. No, no, no. I think it's this one. But anyway, I'm gonna get these. How much money do I have? I don't even know how much money I have. Okay, I bought it anyway. And I bought a grenade. Okay, it's a draw. And I got a grenade and stuff, so now... Oh, yeah! Look at me, I've got a sniper rifle! I feel powerful with my sniper rifle! Sniper rifle! Sniper rifle! I have a sniper rifle! People wanting to kill us, be careful! I have a sniper rifle! People wanting to kill us, be careful! I have a sniper rifle! Me and my sniper rifle, we're gonna kill enemies, it's super easy. Me and my sniper rifle, we're gonna kill enemies. Oh God, no! Oh God, no! Snipey! Snipey! Okay, where are you? Where are you? Yay, we won! Thanks to my sniper rifle skills. It's the end of the round. Oh no! That's bad. Is there another round? And it's starting to another. There we go. Oh, I had my sniper rifle. Now it's gone. I had a sniper rifle. Now it's gone. I feel really sad that it's gone. It was so nice. Smelled like some spice. And I wanted to kiss it. What? Nothing? Yes, I'm a bit hyper right now, aren't I? Am I? Aren't I? Yes? No. Okay. Sniper. I want to get enough money for sniping. Sniper, no sniping. Let's see. Where's that noise coming from? Yay, we won! Victory! Oh, it's a bunny! Bunny! It's a bunny! Who likes bunnies? I like bunnies. Who likes bunnies? I like bunnies. Who likes bunnies? I like bunnies. Do 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 do. I really like bunnies. Okay, now serious for a bit. Where are they? It's very quiet. There's only like 2 other people on the other team. I feel bad for them. I got to maybe unless they get more people, I'm gonna have to. Oh, there we go. 2 people. Oh God damn it! No! Okay, sorry for my rude language, you're saying. Oh, Raffy77, there you are. Oh, I died. Wait. Headshot? No! Look at the top left corner. If you saw what that said I was killed headshot. Oh no. Oh wait, we won, so don't care. Let's see, sniper rifle. Snipey! Snipey, yay! And I got a grenade. Yay! Me and my sniper rifle, and we go, oh, oh, oh. I have a sniper rifle and I go, whoa, whoa, whoa. You can't stop. You can't stop. You can't stop me sniping you. Oh god, no! No! Sniper rifle! No! Now I have no money. But I got a grenade. Yeah. Be careful, I will grenade your faces. I will get revenge for Snipey, the sniper rifle! Okay, who else is there? What? Whoa! Whoa. Raffy77, stop hiding in the bush. See, that's what happened when you hide in the bush. You get killed. Okay. My nose is leaking. Wait, hold on. Okay. That's so annoying when your nose gets leaky. Let's throw a grenade. There it goes. Aw, I didn't kill anybody. Shame. Run! Oh. Oh no! I died! Look at my body! I am glitched into the fans. Ah, so early in the game I die. How bad is that? Man. I might as well have a little bit of drink. Ah, that's refreshing. Okay. Let's see where he's going. Okay, there's someone over there. We won! Hooray! 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 Okay, wait, can I buy in? No, I can't. I can't buy much time. Okay, let's go. Come on, team. I'll lead you to victory. Okay. Shouldn't really be wasting ammo. How do I reload? Okay, it's R. I'm figuring out how I made the controls when I first played. Oh yeah, I got friends. It's Raffy. Oh no. Ah! I died, Raffy. But I know that deep down, I still love you. If you don't know what that's from, look it up. Saddest moment ever, I think. Or something like that. Wait, did we die? Wait, who's... Wait, there we go. Oh, he died. Okay. Wait, beat by weapons. Okay, buy a grenade. Grenades come in handy, but they never seem to kill people, which is depressing. Let's chuck the grenade. Ah, it blew up in midair. How depressing is that? I should actually get my own picture. I gotta find out how you get your picture up there, because if you saw, some people have their pictures. I want to put my picture up there, because then I look awesome. I should have, like, my, you know, the picture of my picture of my YouTube channel. Why was it so difficult to say words? I got shot, I got shot. Who was that? Where are you? Uh-oh, I'm the last guy left. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! I didn't go out in style, did I? Oh, wrong key again. Man, that's really upsetting, you know. Coming that far and then in the end it doesn't even matter. Okay. Check pistol M. Okay, okay. Let's just head up the don't know if that helped. Oh, a bomb went off. That never means good news. What? Wait a second. What happened to this guy? He died up here. Oh, so sorry, dude. Didn't know that you died. Whoa! Someone's shooting! Someone's shooting! Oh no! Again! I'll go with. Okay. Oh, that's so upsetting. I want to win. Okay. Buying a grenade. I'm gonna grenade ya. Whatever that song could be. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Oh no! Headshot. I think that was a headshot. Was it? Okay. There's this guy and this guy. This guy's. Oh, does he? He knows he's in there, doesn't he? Oh no! They're just gonna weigh it out. That's wimpy. Ah, that's wimpy. Dude, shoot him. Oh no! Oh, he just got him last minute. Oh, he must be really gutted that he... Sniper rifle. He must be really... Oh, wait, the sniper rifle. Let's forget about the guy who just died. No, not really. It's already upsetting that he died. Okay, one guy on our team just died. Oh, people are getting hit left and right. Okay, let me just head out over here and see what the problem is. Oh no, I'm second. Wait, no, I'm not. Let's see. See when they're gonna pop their heads out. Yay! We won! We won! We won! We won! We won! We won! Yay! Okay. Seems I got everything I need. Let's switch to my pistol. Now let's run. Run like the wind, bullseye. Okay, pull out the grenade. Okay, bit late on the old gunfire there. Okay, it doesn't seem like there's many people around. There's only like one guy left. Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh, you Android power! I hate you, Android power. Where's why are they 77? Is that like a reference number? Oh, that's... Oh my goodness. Oh my... That frightened me. I was like, what? No! You wanna die? I just want to have some friends. Okay, well anyway guys, I'm going to continue this next time. If you like it, do whatever. And also don't forget to click the link so you can play this game. Okay, goodbye!